In this video we will explain the point editing features of Tcp PointCloud Editor. We start by importing a cloud generated by a photogrammetry application from a drone flight. Now let's select the points of a zone from a polygon. We draw the vertices of the polygon and finish to make the selection. We see that the selected points are highlighted in yellow. Now let's perform an extraction of the selected points to a separate window, to proceed to their editing. In this new window we can examine the points more comfortably, changing the 3D point of view. Next, we will make a new selection by polygon, so that it includes the points belonging to the trees. Now we delete the selected points. And we paste the selection into the original cloud, keeping the changes. We zoom in the area and check that the points belonging to the trees have been erased. Finally, we restore the original cloud, recovering all the deleted points.